Hello, my name is Sherry Smith, and I'm taking you through steps 1 through 5 of a bird's eye view, aerial perspective, the end result. And on my video of step 2, I actually did step 3 as well. So, step 1 is drawing out the 20 different geometric shapes, rectangles, squares. Step 2 is drawing the receding lines to the edge of the buildings. And then step 3 is actually after you have drawn all the receding lines, then draw the far end of each building. Be careful not to draw over the other buildings. So we have done step 1, 2, and 3. All right, so now it's time for step 4. Well, we've done that, erase the receding lines from the far end of the vanishing point. So actually, we're on the final step, which is to finish the drawing by continuing to adding shading and patterns to the skyscrapers, along with trees, roads, sidewalks, and stuff that you'll see on the top of buildings. So I'm going to show you this end picture. And notice that we have like air conditioners and trees. You can even draw a pool. So I'm going to turn the camera down and show you how to do that. And especially the windows. The windows, you have to follow the vanishing point in order for it to turn out correctly. Okay, so first let me show you what not to do. Okay, so if we have a building, okay, first of all, do not just freehand it. See how that's not perfect? But let's just say the vanishing point is here, and we have our lines going like that, and we cut it off, and we erase, okay? To draw windows, a lot of people make the mistake in doing this. I think, oh, windows. And see how that does not look right. Okay, so let me show you how to draw the windows correctly. All right, so on this building, what we're going to do is, again, the vanishing point, I'm going to line up my pencil on the vanishing point and the top of this building, and I'm going to draw a line, and I'm going to hold the ruler right here and my pencil here, and I'm just going to rotate the ruler. Draw a line. Rotate, draw a line. Rotate, draw a line. Rotate, draw a line. Rotate, draw a line. These lines are going to the vanishing point. And that's what you have. Then the easy part is drawing the horizontal lines for the window. So I'm taking my ruler and putting it up to the top of the building line here. And I just draw a line horizontal. Then I move it down. Move it down. Just repeating the step until I go all the way down to the bottom. See, I still have a little bit more to go. Okay, and there you have it. Okay, so a building on the side. See, like this I forgot to draw in here, so you can do quick little cosmetic fixes. So that my vanishing point, and I keep my ruler stationed. I put my pencil on the vanishing point, and then you just rotate. 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 So this does take quite a bit of concentration. And then again, I'm going to take my ruler up to the top of the building and bring it down and draw my horizontal. Whoops, that wasn't very straight. I'm not following the line. So as you can see, when you mess up like that, okay, so there we go. So it was close, but trying to get this as nice as possible. Okay, there's the other building, the windows. Okay, and let's do this. This building up here has two sides. Okay, so again, the vanishing point. Are you noticing a theme? We need to follow the vanishing point. And rotate it. Once you get comfortable with this pattern, it becomes pretty more understandable. The side of the building. Now you might say to yourself, I want really small windows. Okay. Then the very top, see this line here? I'm going to put my ruler up here to the side of the building. Okay. Then the top of this building, then I'm going to line up my windows. This line with this line. Okay. Okay. And then this vanishing point, not going to forget about this little nugget right there. I imagine if you're having a conversation with a friend that's sitting next to you, you might kind of forget what you're doing. So be mindful of that. I always say if you can't talk and work at the same time, then maybe don't talk. Okay? Then this edge of the building, same thing. Okay. Then I'm going to cut the lines off. Let me show you that. And I'm going to follow the top of this building, the side of the building. And this gets a little confusing, but it's correct. Then the top of this building, and I'm going to line up with these windows. Okay. Let's do a trickier one. Let's do this one down here. It's kind of a funky shape. Same concept. The vanishing point. Pencil here. Rotate. Rotate. Okay. Other side, rotate. Okay. And the top of this building, my lines, my horizontal lines are going to follow the top of this building. And now I'm following this side, making sure to not cut into another building. Okay. And let's do this L shaped. Okay, so again, lining up the vanishing point, rotating. I hold the ruler, I put a lot of pressure on it. Now, these windows, I'm going to put another line here. And then these windows here, same idea. I want to keep the ruler on the vanishing point. That's very important. If you don't, then you'll have kind of like what looks like a checkered board, and there will be no illusion. We are masters of illusion. That's what we're doing. We're like magicians. Okay. And then the horizontal lines, this side of the window is going to match up with the top of the building line. Okay. And then this side, we match up. And I'm using light as a feather pressure. And see that? And then on this side, we have the top of the building. Okay. Okay. Now you can do some more decorative things. So like if you want to make a circle, like a road, like this is going to be a monument, and this is a road around the monument. Okay. And notice that the road is curving around a building. You can also make an air conditioning unit, swimming pool, and again, this could get more detailed depending on what you want to do. Artistic choice. So as far as like grading, the more effort, the higher the grade. So if I see that you're taking your time, erasing properly, not using a heavy hand, light pressure, light as a feather pressure, any mistakes are fixed, the higher your grade. So keep that in mind. Good craftsmanship, and I would repeat what I just showed you with the air conditioner, the swimming pool, and also Google aerial perspective, bird's eye view, or what's on the top of buildings, and you can get real creative with this. Thank you for joining me today.